The idea of making money while you sleep is incredibly appealing. Imagine waking up in the morning, checking your phone and seeing another notification from your bank informing you that you may receive another payment for absolutely no work on your part. This would be wonderful, wouldn't it? Well, there are a variety of passive income ideas that can make this a reality. And best of all, they are not very difficult to implement. So today we'll share 5 passive income ideas that made people rich in 2025. Let us get started. 1. Create an online course and sell it on a streaming platform. The demand for online courses has never been greater, with so many individuals seeking to improve their skill sets and advance their careers from the comfort of their own homes. There has never been a better moment to launch your own online course. A streaming platform is one of the greatest locations to host and sell your online courses. There are several advantages to using a streaming platform. First and foremost, it is a well-known and reputable platform with a large audience. This implies that your course will be seen by a large number of potential students. Second, the platform provides a wide range of tools and resources for creating and hosting online courses. This incorporates everything from a simple course creation interface to a built-in payment processing system. Third, the platform provides excellent customer support. If you have any issues or require assistance at any point during the process, their team is always available to help. Fourth, the platform provides a variety of pricing options. You can choose from a variety of subscription plans based on your needs and budget. Finally, the platform provides a mobile app which makes it simple for students to access your course from any device. The best part is that you only need to create the course once, and then the platform will take care of the rest. You may reach a global audience without having to do any marketing or sales. Once you've uploaded your course, the platform will take a small commission and deposit the remaining funds into your account. You can make passive income from your course for years to come with minimal effort on your part. No. 2. Invest in dividend-paying stocks. Investing in dividend-paying stocks is one of the most popular passive income strategies. Dividend-paying stocks are shares of ownership in businesses that pay out a portion of their profits to shareholders on a regular basis. This payout can be in the form of cash or additional shares of the company's stock. When you invest in dividend-paying stocks, you are essentially lending money to a corporation in exchange for a portion of its profits. In return, the corporation uses your investment to expand its operations and generate more profits, which it then distributes to shareholders in the form of dividends. The best part about investing in dividend-paying stocks is that you can earn a steady stream of passive income without having to actively manage your investments. Once you've purchased a dividend-paying stock, you'll receive a dividend payment every quarter or every month, depending on the company's dividend policy. For example, if you purchase one share of a company that pays a 1 annual dividend and the stock price remains constant, you will receive 1 dividend payment every year. If you buy 100 shares of a company that pays a 10 annual dividend, you'll receive 10 dividend payments every year. Of course, the actual amount of dividends you receive will depend on a variety of elements, including the number of shares you own, the company's dividend policy, and the overall health of the economy. Nevertheless, investing in dividend-paying stocks might be a terrific way to supplement your income and prepare for retirement. Number 3, create and sell digital products. Digital products are items that can be accessed and used electronically. They can include ebooks, online courses, Notion templates, website themes, and digital art, to name a few. The demand for digital goods has never been greater due to the rise of the internet and mobile devices. More and more customers prefer to buy digital rather than physical goods. And that means there's a lot of money to be made by selling digital products online. One of the best things about selling digital products is that you only need to create them once, and then you can sell them again and over. You don't have to worry about shipping or handling when you sell digital goods. You don't have to worry about storage or inventory either. All you have to do is set up a payment system that allows customers to download the digital product immediately after purchasing. This not only makes it easier for you to run your business, but it also saves you money on overhead costs. You can start selling your digital goods on various platforms such as Etsy, Creative Market, and Go. You can also sell your digital goods on your own website if you like. The greatest part is that you can set your own prices for your digital goods. There is no need to follow pricing rules or compete with other sellers. You can charge whatever you feel your digital products are worth, and consumers will gladly pay it because digital products are so easy to deliver. You can also provide excellent customer service. Because there is no physical product involved, you can easily respond to any questions or problems your customers may have. Overall, the low overhead, ease of delivery, and high perceived value of digital products make them a very profitable product to sell online. Number 4. Start a blog and monetize it with ads. Starting a blog can be a lucrative method to generate passive income. Once you've created high-quality material that is interesting to readers, you can monetize your blog with Google AdSense or other ad networks. It's important to realize that creating a successful blog takes time and effort. However, with the right attitude and a willingness to learn, anyone can do it. First and foremost, select a topic you're interested in. If you're passionate about what you write, it will show in your writing and readers will be more likely to return. Second, make sure your blog is simple to use and navigate. Readers should be able to find the information they're looking for without becoming lost or confused. Third, create high-quality, interesting content. This is the most important step. If your article's uninteresting, readers won't stick around. Make sure your content is well written, thoroughly researched, and offers some value to the reader. Fourth, promote your blog on social media and other channels. This will assist you in getting noticed and generating traffic to your blog. Fifth, be patient and persistent. It may take some time to see results, but if you keep producing good content and promoting your blog, you will eventually start to see traffic and revenue growth. 5. Create videos for a video sharing platform and monetize them with ads. Making videos for a video sharing platform is a great way to earn passive income. You can earn money from views on your videos through the platform's partner program. To get started, simply create a free account, upload videos to your channel, and apply to the partner program. Once accepted, you'll be able to monetize your videos with ads and earn money from views. It's critical to realize that generating a successful YouTube channel takes time and effort. However, with the proper mindset and a willingness to learn, anybody can do it. First and foremost, select a niche for your channel. If you focus on a certain topic, you'll be able to target a specific audience and build a following. Second, make sure your videos are high quality. This indicates that they are well shot, well edited, and provide some value to the viewer. Your videos should be interesting, educational, or entertaining. Viewers should walk away feeling like they learned something or were entertained in some way. Third, be consistent. Publish new videos on a regular basis so that viewers know when to expect new content. Consistency will assist you in keeping viewers interested and coming back for more. Fourth, promote your channel on social media and other channels. This will assist you in getting noticed and increasing the number of people who view your videos. Finally, be patient and persistent. It may take some time to see results, but if you keep producing excellent content and promoting your channel, you will eventually begin to see view counts and revenue growth. If you want to learn more about how to make money online, check out our channel where we talk about the latest making money online tips, ideas, and tricks. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.